we will send parachutes on the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Look up, or we'll be gone.
And today on Have a Knife Day, it is December 11th, and we are continuing our journey by opening up this Boker Plus Advent Calendar for the 24 days of Knifemas. So without any further ado, let us go over here to the 11th and open this box. There we go. Let's go ahead and close this up right quickly. There it is. And the box is a little bit worse for wear. Let's go ahead and get our tray that has everything. So this is the other side, the other scale for the carbon fiber, and I'm telling you what, this carbon fiber is looking fantastic. And we have a challenge coin, a neck gaiter. It is an exploded parts diagram signed neck gaiter. We have a blade and some hardware. Well, there you go. And thank you so much for spending time here with me today. I greatly appreciate you coming with me on this journey. I've never done one of these before. And please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in 13 days, we're going to have a knife day.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.